Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful maternity sash or belt, and it's great for maternity photo shoots or baby shower. And if you want to make something like this, so please stay tuned. Okay, so these are the material that you will need. You will want to say the biggest flowers for the main, and two about the same size on each side, and then two whatever you like, and then the two the smallest one. These actually I bought that comes in a roll like this, so you just cut to whatever how many pieces you like. And I'm using this is silk ribbons in pink. It's about 1.5 inches, and some scissors to cut. You definitely need the high temp hot glue and some filling artificial flowers and some greeneries. I got these from Joann's, and you can get those from Michael's or Hobby Lobbies. And these are the felt. I also got this from Joann's. So to give you an idea, how they cut two rounds, it allows you to cut whatever size you like. Okay, to begin with, I am gonna cut about 100 inches. So measures to 100 inches. So after you cut, you take both the ends of your you can do this now or later, doesn't matter. Place the same side together, fold off like that, and you just cut like straight ahead like this. Okay, so that gives you edges like that. Now you will need a lighter, and you just alright. So for the fillings, I'm gonna need couple pieces. So I'm gonna cut like just a small piece like right here, so that should do it. And then I'm just gonna cut that in half, split in half, because I don't need a lot. And then also for the same, I just gonna need like one piece of two pieces of leaves. Again, I'm just gonna like arrange the way I think it will look good. So I go from big to smaller and smaller. This thing, I think I'm gonna go right there, something like that. So now I'm just like arranging all these flowers to see how it looks. And so I think I'm gonna do like that. I mean, you can certainly arrange whichever way you like. So what do you think? I mean, I think I like the way it looks. So actually, before we put on the side, I'm gonna measure the distance from here to there and see how long. So from here to there, it is about I say 12 inches. So now we can put all these flowers to the side. So 12 inches long, and then the ribbon, we said the ribbon was 1.5 inches. I think I'm gonna do like 2.5 inches. Okay, I'm just gonna mark down 12 inches right there, and then 2.5 inches wide. So it doesn't have, so you will need two pieces of this. You can fold it and then cut into two pieces. That's what I'm Alright, so I end up cutting a little bit smaller because this is what I'm gonna do. I am gonna place the first felt like that, and then I'm gonna put a ribbon on top of it. Then I'm gonna glue these together. So make sure you line up with the same point that you cut. Okay, so now you take your hot temp glue and take your ribbons and bring to the ends together, and then you pinch the middle just a little like that, so that way we know where the middle piece is gonna be. So since my ribbon is silk on one side, so make sure you have that face up, if you have silks that you know, that finished silks on both sides, so it doesn't matter. So right now I'm gonna put just a little glue right there in the middle, right? So I'm gonna put this for the bottom to make sure you have that lined with that. Okay. Find the middle piece and then put your flowers. So I'm gonna work from the middle. So I'm gonna prearrange and see how I liked. So then I'm just gonna glue these. Actually, I'm gonna peel this off. It doesn't have to be. So that one gonna be like that, and then you do the same thing for this end. And you take the silk flowers and you just dab on top of that. The same thing for this. A little bit more right here. Then you put this glue all around this circle. And then you just put it on top like that, and just kind of press it. Then next you take your next flowers, whatever your arrangement was, and then just continue from the middle to the. So I'm doing one on the left and then one on the right, just. So I don't know if I don't like to show these gaps. I don't know, I don't really like these showing, like the gap. So I'm gonna cut maybe one or two of these. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate them by carefully, if you have like a thin snippers, and then you just kind of separate the pieces. So I'm gonna show you, if you pull this apart, you can see the threads. You just kind of carefully cut that. Okay, after you separate all these pieces, basically you're gonna add the hot glue and just kind of fill all this gap. It doesn't have to be, you know, perfect. And so yeah. So basically you just keep the way it folded, you just dab a little bit of glue right there. Oh, that's too much. Then you just kind of pull it and something like that to hide it, you know. And you do the same thing for the bottom, or wherever that needs to be filled in. Okay, I fill all mine in, and the finished piece, and I'm going to show you how it looks on the mannequin. Hey guys, so this is the finished piece, and let me know what you think. And if you do make one, I would love to see your finished piece. And if you do like these videos, feel free to share with your friends. And once again, thank you for watching.